Morning everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, this morning I'm working on cleaning up the hood pin assemblies for the 78 Ford. They're pretty rusty, surface rust mind you, and just some crap from all the years of it being used. But anyway, let's get right to it. I got one outside already done, painted, drying, and this is all I did. Trying to get the loose stuff off, and then I sprayed it down with like a brake cleaner, just so I could spray bomb it. All kinds of crap in there. I got the seat cleaned up yesterday. I'll show you that in a minute. Fred's having a nap on it. It's in behind over here. Part of the fun of building an old truck is just like taking a piece that needs to be refurbished and putting your mind to it and putting some, pretty crude tools that anybody can buy, at a Home Hardware or Canadian Tire or somewhere down in like O'Reilly's in the States. Don't need a lot of fancy tools. Just got to get the loose stuff off so the paint will stick. Battery's getting low. I got one charge in there. We'll see how far I go. Whoa. Keep going, Grandpa. It was pretty good news there the other day. We got that 306 cylinder unstuck, and yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That engine is going to have an Offenhauser aluminum intake and 4-barrel and an exhaust header on that 300, and boy, that's supposed to really improve the performance of those engines. So that's the route we're going to take. We don't want any of that old 1-barrel or 2-barrel or whatever Ford had on there. They were just a dog. Spiders. I'm trying to involve my wife Paula as much as possible in the truck because, she's going to be driving this down the road, but probably we're going to need to find an automatic down the road for it, but we'll see. We picked out the color scheme. I'm going to paint it myself. It's going to be a dark burgundy, and the inside of the inlay, I guess you say, the middle of the truck, across the doors, the fenders, the way Ford did those two-tones, that's going to be like a dark silver. So burgundy, dark silver, and a black interior. The seat is right there. I'll show you that in just a second here. Have a look. Fred's having a sleep on it, but the seat turned out pretty good. How you doing up there, Fred? Is that cat approved? Ah, you're a good boy. Okay. Yeah, I got a few things up on the shelf here. You've probably noticed in the video here. I got a couple of... Oh, look at that. There's like a Lulabelle truck there, eh? And I got a bunch of dinky toys and things here. And we did win a trophy with Lulabelle a few years back at the Barrie Automotive Flea Market. This was the trophy that we won. Barrie Automotive Flea Market 2017 Best Truck 1940 to 59. There you go. Okay, let's get back to the business at hand here. Sorry about the camera fobbling here. Dusty. Take this one out to the garage. I'll have to take that one out to the garage and put the parts cleaner on her. Brake clean, parts clean, whatever you want to call it. That's all I use. I just use some brake clean on that thing. Take you outside here and I'll show you the finished product. I'm down in the shop underneath the house here, which is kind of nice. This is one that I've already done. Doesn't look too bad, eh? I think that'll pass. Anyway, she's a beautiful day up here in Northern Ontario. Bye for now.